This picture speaks 1,000 words, all of them banal. The qualities that on display I could dredge from the canal. Bring me the head of Simon Cowell, his head impaled on this here trowel. I go and dredge from said canal. Mediocre lifestyle sounds that are bad. Dumb it down, drag it down, drag your ass along the ground. Dumb it down, drag it down, drag your ass along the ground. Exposure to the naked ear is not advisable, my dear. Now plug out radios and sets, save your senses from themselves. Dumb it down, drag it down, drag your ass along the ground. Dumb it down, drag it down, drag your ass along the ground. It felt like freedom, felt like choice, but ask a crowd alone to give you noise. Where have all the filters gone? Without these filters, what about mediocre lifestyle sounds? Where have all the filters gone? Dumb it down, drag it down, drag your ass along the ground.